Hello students, in this video we will learn about how can we type text in MS Word, which is very easy. If you want to type a text in MS Word, what you have to do is just click the left button of your mouse in the working area. This is your working area where you can type text. Just click the left button of your mouse and type anything. Hello world. So when you start typing, the text appears where the cursor is located. This is our cursor. Now, next is how can we erase the text in MS Word? How can we erase the text in MS Word? Because we don't have any eraser here. Actually, there are two ways to erase the text or delete the typed text. With the help of backspace key and with the help of delete key. This is our backspace key. This is our keyboard and this is our backspace key. So with the help of backspace key, you can erase the text towards the left. Sorry. With the help of backspace key, you can erase the text towards the left. Suppose this is the word which I have to remove, so just click the left button of your mouse and press backspace key. So backspace key helps you to remove the letters or word which is present at the left. It erases the text towards the left. Okay, next is delete key. This is our delete key, DEL. This is the short form of delete, DEL. Okay, suppose I have to erase this word. So delete key helps me to remove or erase this word hello world towards the right. You can erase the text towards the right with the help of delete key. Delete key हमेशा right साइड में जो लिखा होता है उसे इरेज करती है एंड बैकस्पेस की लेफ्ट साइड में. Yes. Next is selecting the text. Selecting the text. You can select the text. There are two ways to select your text. Two methods होते हैं text को select करने के लिए. Method one is what you have to do, just click the left button of your mouse, click at the point from where you want to start. यहाँ पे left click कीजिए and just click the left button of your mouse and hold it and start dragging it over the text you want to select. So this text is now selected. Just see again. आपको करना क्या है, पहले माउस से यहाँ क्लिक करिए जहाँ से आपको टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करना है एंड लेफ्ट बटन को क्लिक करके प्रेस करके रखिए, होल्ड करके रखिए एंड ड्रैग इट एंड वहाँ तक ले जाइए जहाँ तक आपको टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करना है. So your text is now selected. Method second is with the help of shortcut keys of a keyboard. With the help of shortcut keys. Shortcut keys means with the help of arrow keys you can select the text. These are arrow keys. This is the up arrow key. This is our keyboard and this is the up arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key and down arrow key. You just have to click left button from the left button of your mouse. Just click and press the shift button from your keyboard and press down arrow key. So with the help of shift plus down arrow key you can select the text downwards. In the same way, if I want to select the text upward, just press the shift button from your keyboard and press up arrow key. So your text is now selected. Your text is now selected. In the same way, we can also select the text towards the right. just press the shift key and press right arrow key. So you can select the text towards right with the help of shift plus right arrow key. In the same way, if you want to select the text towards left, just press shift button and shift key and then again press left arrow key. So these are the keys which helps you to select the text. This is the second method to select the text. Thank you.